Namaste, this is Matrishwa from Matrishwa Vyas Clinical and Wildlife Photography. In this video, you will learn how to get an illusionary low angle shot. You will also understand what is the difference between an amateur and a pro wildlife photographer shooting the same event. Photograph is a two-dimensional representation of a three-dimensional scene. You must understand and keep this simple fact in mind that in 2D representation, an object which is in foreground will be at the bottom and the object which is at the background will be at the top of the frame. This is an image of a darling cat of Masai Mara, the famous cheetah called Malaika. It was shot during my August 2018 safari. As cheetahs usually do, she was sitting on a termite mound to get a higher vantage point. Beginners or a casual photographer will make such frame, but to me, this is just a snapshot. The frame is bereft of sense of place. Instead, if we just move the camera's angle and place cheetah on top third of the frame by including more foreground, suddenly the whole appearance changes. If cheetah is sitting on a higher platform, we need to convey that through our frame. This type of framing also gives an effect of a low angle shot. More better way to get the illusion further heightened is to change the formatting to vertical. Appreciate that all images are shot from the same height from inside the safari vehicle, but with subtle changes in the angle and orientation of the lens. Photography is a very strong means of communication, and to communicate with a medium of frame having 4 boundary walls attached to it is an art. To master this art, you need to think before you shoot. Look at this one more example, this time a tiger. Leaving more foreground gives an illusion of a low angle shot in this case. Compare and judge for yourself which way you would like to shoot next time given such situation. If you have learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you and keep exploring.